guys have that? 30-something%.
Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. It's dark and dreary here in Chicago, but rains for the most part across the Midwest is moving out into the east. It looks like at least through the weekend will be clear across most of the Midwest. Temperatures will be hovering around normal, maybe by the weekend a little bit below normal. The USDA came out and said that about 40% of the beans are harvested. That's less than average, but more than the market had expected. And there were a lot of beans harvested in the south and the northwest part of the Midwest. In corn, it's only 24% harvested. Here again, I think the farmers are trying to let this corn dry in the field so they don't have to pay for drying, and using the field as also storage. Crop ratings continue to be high. Some of the models suggest that the U.S. corn yield could be closer to 180 and beans to 50 if these models come true. So the market will be watching these new harvest yields to see if the crop is getting bigger. USDA FSA this morning came out with some revised October acres for enrollment in the program. They're up a little bit from September, but the USDA had these numbers in October on Friday for the October crop report. So a lot of people are still using planted acres that the USDA put out on Friday and not lowering them because of these FSA numbers. Overnight prices for everything is lower. Stock market lower, Dow lower, crude lower. We've got the grains lower, but not a lot. And a lot of bizarre ideas on why the grains have rallied in the last couple of days. One that pops up is that some of the large funds that might be long stocks, crude, and even livestock, and short the grains may have liquidated to reduce any further or future losses. The other one is a conspiracy one that maybe we're pushing crude oil prices lower to hurt the finances of the terror groups in Russia. So we'll see how all this plays out. But I think in general, the market's still looking for lower bean prices in a trading range in corn and wheat. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. And have a safe and profitable trading day.
You're all 780-868-75.